This newscast is brought to you by Lavo. The Cine Gear Expo 2024 in Atlanta kicks off on Friday, October 4th at Trilith Studios, the iconic home to films like Black Adam and Megalopolis. The event will last 2 days until October 5. Attendees will have the opportunity to explore cutting-edge exhibits, discover the latest gear, and attend exclusive seminars from Aperture, DrivingPlates.com, ASC, IATSE Local 600, and more. This is a fantastic opportunity to network with top filmmakers, crew up, and ignite new projects. Follow the QR code on your screen to register now for free and experience the ultimate celebration of cinematography and filmmaking.
Produced by the National Association of Broadcasters, the 2024 NAB Show New York is just 1 week away. It is set to take place October 9th to 10th, Education October 8th to 10th, at the Jacob K. Javits Convention Center. Will highlight cutting-edge tools and technologies impacting the broadcast, media, and entertainment industry. Attendees will have the opportunity to engage with industry experts and discover the trends driving the future of content creation, distribution, and monetization. Key trends and topics including artificial intelligence, the creator economy, live and virtual production, sports media, and streaming will take center stage with thought-provoking programming and innovative exhibitors. Registration is open for NAB Show New York attendees. Follow the QR code on your screen to register.
Artificial intelligence has opened new interesting opportunities for the music industry. For instance, enabling the development of tools that can automatically generate musical compositions or specific instrument tracks. Researchers at LG AI Research recently developed a new interactive system that allows any user to easily translate their ideas into music. This system combines a decoder-only autoregressive transformer trained on music datasets with an intuitive user interface. The transformer-based model underpinning the team's symbolic music generation system was trained on 2 musical datasets, the LAC MIDI dataset and the MetaMIDI dataset. In addition to developing their transformer-based model for symbolic music generation, the team of researchers created a simple interface that would make it accessible to both expert and non-expert users. This interface currently consists of a sidebar and a central interactive panel. In the sidebar, users can specify aspects of the music they want the model to generate. After the model generates a song, they can edit the track in the central panel, for instance, by removing or adding instruments or adjusting the time at which they will start playing music. The researchers found their model performed significantly well and could reliably generate a maximum of 4 bars of music based on the user's specifications. In their future studies, they could improve their system further by extending the duration of the musical tracks their model can create, broadening the specifications that users can give, and further enhancing the system's user interface.
The BBC has appointed journalist and editorial leader Hayley Valentine as its new director in Scotland. She brings a range of experience to her new role from both inside the BBC and working in the independent production sector in Scotland. Since joining the BBC in 1996, Valentine has been executive producer of BBC Question Time, director of current affairs at Minthorn, head of news at Radio 5 Live, head of the BBC Radio Newsroom, and the launch editor of BBC Scotland's 9 News programme. She is currently head of BBC Midlands in Birmingham. Valentine will lead the development of a content and services for audiences in Scotland across television, radio, and online. She will take up the new post in early November.
ADAM Audio, for years been known for its high-end studio monitor offerings, has opened a new category in its product range by introduction of its first ever closed-back studio headphones, H200. It was designed by the company's Berlin-based R&D team, which was expanded to include a dedicated group of headphone engineers. A move that would appear to indicate this will not be the company's only foray into the headphone arena. The new H200s are built around 40mm peak diaphragm drivers and a patent-pending internal airflow technology. The headphones themselves were designed to recall the company's S-series studio monitors, which were used as a benchmark for the new headphones' tonality. Other factors in their design include the headband, which uses memory foam-based earbuds to both ensure isolation while also providing a comfortable fit. Both the earbuds and the headband padding are replaceable. The main cable is attachable to either side of the unit, and all of it is housed in an included carry bag for storage and transportation. Sales of the ADAM Audio H200 headphones are expected to begin in November 2024.
LG has sold its last remaining LCD TV panel production facility. The factory, based in Guangzhou, China, has been sold to TCL for 1.35 billion euros. It will be handed over to the new owners on March 31, 2025. The plant is currently busy producing low-end and mid-range LCD TV panels used in various products, including LG Electronics QLED LCD TVs. The move by LG Display echoes that of Samsung Display, which has also exited LCD production. The two Korean electronics giants are focusing on OLED production with better margins. Samsung will still offer consumers LCD sets, but will source panels from China. With the sale of the LCD plant in Guangzhou, LG Display will increase its focus and investments in OLED. LG currently has two major OLED plants located in Paju, South Korea, and Guangzhou, China.
Sennheiser has announced the MD421 Compact. Building on the performance of the MD421, the industry's go-to microphone for over 6 decades. The new model is even more versatile, lighter, and portable than its predecessor. The MD421 Compact, while featuring all of the signature sound and exceptional detailing of the 421 series, also offers remarkable fidelity and adeptly handles high sound pressure levels, perfect for capturing everything from the softest notes to the mightiest sonic booms. Designed in Germany with meticulous attention to detail, the MD421 Compact is 35% smaller and nearly 60% lighter. Its rugged construction makes it resistant to even the roughest handling, and its redesigned body now integrates the mounting clip, offering a secure connection to any mic stand.
This newscast is brought to you by Lavo.